So good morning, gentlemen. From the picture I perceive many characters, but my story revolves on the main character whose name is Nishant and his age is between 16 to 80. His mood is positive and also he is a male. So my story goes like this. Nishant, he is a house captain and he has been given the duty to conduct drama for the inter-house drama competition. So he along with his house warden, they together take the auditions for constituting a team of members for the drama team. After that, Nishant gives them their roles and also their dialogues and also he makes a WhatsApp group so that instructions for the practice can be passed. Also, so he can send some videos related to their drama and other related thing, that is dresses. Nishant, he himself checked the dresses for the drama. Also, he used to practice along with the drama team outside the school and in an open ground. They practiced a lot in the free periods. Also, Nishant told them about the ways by which they can improve. Also, he made personal assessment of every single person who was acting in the drama team. And finally, on the D-Day, their competition was there and the whole team acted in a very good manner and everyone was satisfied with their performance. So that is all. Thank you.